Hi, I'm James Payne, a board-certified attorney in Beaumont, Texas, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about what do you do following an 18-wheeler accident, because they're a lot different than what you normally would do involving a motor vehicle accident. Top 5 things that you should do if you've been involved in an 18-wheeler accident, first of all, is try to get away from any exposed cargo, because many times there are flammable materials within those 18-wheelers that could cause you greater injury than the impact itself. Secondly, try to take as many photos as you can. Right now, with smartphones and the things of that nature, you can actually put them on your cell phone, but you need to preserve the evidence as best you can. Also, number 3, find as many witnesses that could see the accident and remember what occurred. Often, when the accident happens, people know right then what's going on, but when years come down the line and you're getting ready for trial, people's memories are not as great. Number 4, anytime you're involved in an accident involving an 18-wheeler, you must, this is very important, not give a statement to the 18-wheeler driver. You can give those statements to the police, but not to the driver themselves. Why? Because 18-wheeler drivers will use those statements against you if you're ultimately found to have to go to trial. Not with the police department. Obviously, you want to cooperate as best you can with the police department. But with the 18-wheeler driver, you must be mindful of this. They are already at work. They're already gathering their evidence. They probably already called their safety person, and they're already getting their experts in line to defend this case. And you need to do the same. And 5th, you need to get to a doctor if you're having any types of injuries or feeling bad at all. Many times people don't experience pain immediately after the impact because they're really tense and really struggling because they're excited. But next day, the next morning, many times you can't get out of bed. I would encourage you to make sure you get to a health provider, health facility, to make sure that you're not suffering from any injuries. It's very important that you seek legal counsel immediately after an impact. Why? Because the defense, the 18-wheeler company, they're already at work. They have already contacted their safety person. They have already started gathering evidence. And sometimes they've already started moving evidence. And it's very important that you get with a board-certified attorney immediately so that that evidence can be preserved, so that at some point, if it comes down to trial, we're ready to respond with what actually happened and not what people believe actually occurred. One of the things people must be mindful when you've been involved in an 18-wheeler accident is watch out for some of the tricks. They will contact people involved, they being the 18-wheeler, will contact people that have been involved in the accidents and try to get statements and try to rush a settlement. The reason why they're doing that is because they don't want you to know your rights and they don't want you to get fair compensation. If you've been involved in an 18-wheeler accident, you need to consult a lawyer immediately. You need to know your rights and you need to know what compensation is available to you. I'm James Payne, board certified attorney with Provost Governor.